It's gonna be your life jacket right here.
Okay. Gotta wear your life jacket, right?
Yeah, always.
Okay.
Safety
Putting it on.
first.
Safety first, you're right. Who knew? Okay. Ooh, nice and snug. I don't think I can move much anymore. Okay.
Okay, this is the kill switch. In case you fall off, this will come on.
So, start, gas, stop.
Yeah, turn it off.
And that kill switch in case I fall off, which I don't plan on doing. Full tank of gas?
Yeah, full tank.
So I can go to Cuba and back?
Yeah, probably. You can go, but you won't
For a
come
nice
back.
mojito and a cigar? Okay. So I think I got it.
Okay.
How do I get in the water now?
We'll push you in.
Let's go. My own jet ski. How cool is that?